Hey everyone, Taylor Stevenson here, Strategic Partnerships Executive with Alice Analytics. We have a big announcement to make. We're excited to announce that we'll be attending Collision as one of their alpha partners on April 30th through May 3rd in New Orleans. Collision is billed as one of America's fastest growing tech conferences with over 25,000 attendees across industries like investors, enterprise level clients, startups, and media. As a member of the Alpha program, we applied and specifically got selected by a team of judges to be one of 700 innovative startups from across the world. This provides us the opportunity to not only attend the conference, but also to exhibit our technology for one whole day. We're really excited about the opportunity to be representing Wichita's tech community, along with showcasing our technology to potential clients and networking with all of the people in attendance. Wish us luck!